Krish, can you hear me? Micah, can you hear me? Let's continue
Yes,
our
sir.
topic now. Let's continue our topic now. Wait. So today we will focus on see these topics are pending, Micah. Okay. Micah, Satinder, can you hear me? Hello, Satinder, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, Satinder, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's wait 1 minute only for Jaswinder, then we can start.
Yeah, sure.
Micah, can you hear me? Satinder? Everyone, these topics are pending, right? These topics are pending. Micah, can you hear me? Micah?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. I can hear you.
These topics are pending, right? VPN
Yes.
implementation, monitoring and reporting. And in your batch, I think Palo Alto firewall packet flow concept. It's also pending, right?
Yes. Yes.
So packet flow we'll discuss later. Let's focus on these topics this weekend. Okay, these topics. So I'm trying to discuss on monitoring and reporting. This is our topic for today. Monitoring and reporting. In Palo Alto, you can say monitoring and reporting, and in Fortinet firewall device, it's called login and monitoring. So in this topic, we can try to monitor our traffic. We are not configuring anything. We are only trying to verify the log information. We are trying to verify the log information. So why log is required? Wait. Why log is required? To diagnose the problem, in network. So I have a firewall device. When any traffic will hit on firewall device, for example, this is Palo Alto. When any traffic will hit on firewall device, this activity will record. Okay, traffic is deny or traffic is allow. When traffic will hit on firewall device, this activity will record and it will contain in a file. This activity will contain in a file. It's called log file. Log file. Now you can store your logs in database. You can store your logs in database, and we have two options to store our logs. The first option, you can store your logs in local database. So you can store all kind of log, okay? Traffic log, threat log, URL filtering log. Okay, if someone will hit on your policy, someone will hit on your NAT policy, someone will hit on your security profile option, VPN tunnel down, VPN tunnel up. So if any activity will happen, activity will record, it will contain in a log file. So to store log file, we have two options. First, we can go with local database in local storage, Palo Alto firewall local storage. Otherwise, we have another option. It's called a remote logging server. Remote logging server option. For remote logging server, you can go with Syslog. So maybe in your network, you have Syslog server, or maybe you have SNMP. So these are what? These are remote logging server option. In case if you are receiving too much log, okay, every day 5,000, 10,000 logs, and you have limited storage. So you can send all your logs on remote logging server. So these are the options. These are the options to store our logs. Now let me show you, wait. Here we have a topology. For logs, here we have a dedicated tab is monitor tab. Here you can verify all type of logs. Okay, traffic is hitting on your policy. Okay, interface is down, routing packet loss, URL filtering logs. You can verify all type of logs information here. You can also capture your packet. You can also capture your packet. Same option is available in each firewall device. In Fortinet, in Cisco FTD, in Checkpoint, you can capture your packet and you can open in a Wireshark, any packet capturing tool, you can open. So now let's create a topology to initiate some traffic. Okay. I think let me check. So I have a simple policy. Let me check this policy. Simple policy to allow my traffic. LAN is a source zone, destination, WAN zone, application. I'm using any service URL category. Action is allowed. So I'm creating a simple rule to allow my traffic. Allow my traffic. This will take time. So let's verify IP address information on inside machine. IP config. So 200, 290. Let's check NAT policy. NAT policy, yes. So now as per your NAT policy, security policy, traffic is traveling. Traffic is traveling. We can try to initiate some traffic. Wait. I'm trying to ping 8.8.8. Please wait. This is taking time. Okay. Let's try to initiate some traffic. I'm trying to ping 8.8.8.8. Traffic is traveling through the firewall device. We can initiate more traffic. We can initiate more traffic. For example, ping google.com. Google.com. Traffic is traveling. Google.com, Facebook.com, YouTube.com. So we can initiate more traffic. And now to verify log information, we can go to monitor. Why we need logs? To diagnose the problem. Okay, for example, inside machine is saying I cannot access internet traffic. Okay, I cannot access application. So to troubleshoot this, we need to verify log information. So if you remember, guys, session browser option. Session browser is what? Palo Alto is a stateful firewall device, right? Palo Alto is a stateful firewall device. So when traffic is traveling through the firewall device, firewall maintain the connection. Firewall will maintain the connection, state of connection in connection table. This is session table or connection table, you can say. And this is temporary information. After some time, this information will erase automatically. So in session browser, yes, you can get some log, but it's a temporary information. See what information we have in session browser. In session browser, we can verify start time, from zone, to zone, source, destination, from port, destination port, protocol, application rule, ingress interface, egress interface. If you expand any packet, for example, so you can get a detailed information. You can get a detailed information. See, some session ID is available for this traffic, and it's hitting this security policy rule -1. Yes, we have a policy rule 1. It's hitting this NAT rule. Yes, we have NAT-pol. Let me check. NAT-pol. This is policy name. NAT-pol. NAT-pol. Wait. NAT-pol. Now you can verify flowchart 1 and flowchart 2. In flowchart 1, we have traffic client to server. In flowchart 2, we have traffic server to client. It's called reply packet, you can say. So this 200, 219 traffic is traveling. 19 traffic is traveling. And yes, this is what session information. Session information. But here we have a dedicated tab to verify all type of logs. Here you can verify all type of logs. Okay. Multiple options are available. Multiple options are available in logs. The first option is what? Traffic log. In traffic logs, you can verify all traffic information. Okay, traffic is deny or traffic is allow. You can verify here. This log is available in local database right now. It is available in local database. Session browser. So here's a difference. Okay, in session browser, information is available, but it's a temporary information. After some time, it will be erased automatically. But here we have information, permanent information. Okay, it is available. You can expand any packet. If you click on here, you can get the detailed information, or if you click on, you can get a detailed information. See, source information, source IP, okay, source interface, NAT IP, NAT port number, destination information. So you can get a detailed information in source, and these are the default columns. These are what default columns are available. Default columns. What information we have in default columns? Receive time, type, from zone, to zone, source IP, destination IP, port number, application, what application you are accessing. So these are the default columns. If you want to add more columns in logs, so yes, you can click on here, columns, and see multiple options are available, everyone. Multiple options are available. You can add as per your requirement. For example, I want to verify egress interface. I want to verify egress and egress interface. Yes, you can add, and you can check here. You can check your ingress interface and egress interface. So yes, traffic is traveling from LAN to WAN. So Ethernet 1/1 we are using as a LAN. This is ingress interface, and 1/2 it's a egress interface. So traffic, okay, let me open a file. Wait. So I have a log file. Let me check. So log type. Let's verify log type option here. So traffic is what? In traffic logs, it will display an entry. Will display an entry for start and end of each session. And each entry includes date and time, source and destination zone, source and destination address, source and destination port number, application, security rule, name applied to flow, rule action, ingress, egress interfaces. So in traffic log, you can get traffic information only. Now, what about this threat log? So if you guys remember, we have threat prevention technique. If you guys remember our security profile discussion, let me show you. Security profile discussion, antivirus profile, anti-spyware profile, vulnerabilities protection profile. So to utilize these three profiles, we need single license. And we need threat prevention license is required to utilize these security profile option, antivirus, anti-spyware, and vulnerabilities protection. So if anyone will hit on these profiles, these security profile, antivirus, anti-spyware, vulnerabilities. If anyone will hit on these profiles, you can verify log information here in threat. Here you can verify threat information. So it will display an entry for each security alarm generated by firewall device, and each entry include date and time, threat name, URL, source and destination zone, source and destination IP, source and destination port number, application, and action. It's block or allow. So I have example. Wait. Without license, you cannot verify logs. Okay. Traffic logs you can verify, but to verify threat logs, URL filtering logs, you need proper license. Micah, Satinder, everyone clear my point? That's why we are not getting a proper logs. Traffic logs you can verify without license. But to verify traffic, URL filtering, wildfire submission logs, you need proper license. Clear now my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, please,
Yes.
what is the estimated cost of the
Destination.
license? The estimated.
It's you can talk to salesperson. Okay, they can suggest you. You can talk to
Okay.
Palo salesperson. They can suggest you.
Okay.
Okay, it's what license you want to buy. You need to discuss with salesperson. Okay, maybe they can give you some offer also. Clear my point, Maika? Satinder, any question here?
No, clear.
So now see here in threat. So we have some examples here for threats. Yes, we can we can verify receive time information. Okay, type from zone to zone, source address. This is what this is uh object information inside PCs. It's a object. Now destination information you can verify to port number, application, what action performed, severity level you can verify. So if someone will hit on your antivirus profile, vulnerabilities protection profile, anti-spyware, you can verify all the logs here in threat tab. What about this URL filtering? So URL filtering, if you guys remember, we have URL filtering security profile. We can attach. If someone will hit on security profile, URL filtering, you can verify here, see, receive date and time, same information. See, if you go on firewall device, let me show you one more information. For example, traffic, okay? If you want to filter your traffic, if, for example, you are receiving too much logs, okay, you are receiving thousands of logs. Let's initiate more traffic from different source IP. Wait. So I'm changing IP address now. IP address now. Properties, internet protocol. So 200, 200, 288. Let's initiate our traffic from our new source IP. Ping 8.8.8. Traffic is traveling. Ping google.com. Let's initiate other traffic. So google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. Wait, we can ping to Google, we can ping to Facebook. So traffic is traveling, okay? Traffic is traveling. Let's go on firewall device. You can refresh this page. You can refresh this page. And you can see now you are receiving logs from 200, 200, 288. This is first page. If you go to next page, you can verify some other logs. Okay. So now my point is, what if you are receiving too much log from different source of IP, different destination IP, and if you want to filter your logs, so you can filter from here. You can filter from here. See, plus sign, add filter. Now I want to go with action. Wait, let's give a name. Filter -1. Now we can take a action, or let's go with the address. Address in source 200, 200, 200. Last IP was last IP 19, right? So I want to filter my traffic. Okay, we have a filter. Please wait, I'm searching for source IP. Source address. Source address 200, 200, 219. Why it's not showing? Syntax error something. Okay, no problem. Let me add any other information. Wait. Source address 200, 200, 219. Now I want to filter this source. Yes, Micah, Satinder, everyone. See, I can see now logs related with 200, 200, 290. My point is, if you are receiving too much logs and you want to filter based on your source IP, destination IP, egress interface, from zone to zone, application, so you can create your filter from here. See, you can create your filter from here. You can add these parameters. These are the attributes. These are the columns, you can say, attributes. For example, I'm looking for time. Wait. We cannot search, that's why time, packet, receive, receive time, yes. So now let's go with the receive time. If you click on in, you can see you can go with time option. Micah, Vishnu, Micah, Satinder, everyone,
Yes.
you can filter, okay? You can filter your logs with these options, with these attributes. For example, I want to see only last 60-second logs. Last 60-second logs. I can click on add. You can click on apply. Last 60-second logs, and you can just press enter. So yes, I have only one logs. See, last 60-second logs. So my point is you can filter. You can filter your logs. You can filter your logs as per your requirement. You can filter based on source, destination, ingress, egress, source zone, destination zone, and source port number, destination port number, application, rules. And same option is available in other. Like if you go in threat, same option. You can add more columns. You can add more columns, and yes, you can filter. You can filter and you can select your attributes. You can now one more option is available. If you click on traffic, if you want to export this file, if you want to share this logs with your colleague, okay, with your main administrator, for example. So you can just click on here and you can download. You can export this logs. You can download this file, and this format is CSV. So you can open in Microsoft Excel. This log file you can open in Excel. You can share. So you can export your logs and you can share with any other administrator. Same option you can use in other tab. Threat logs, URL filtering logs. URL filtering logs, you can get URL related information. You can get receive date and time. You can get a category information, what URL they are accessing, source zone, destination zone, source IP, destination IP, application, what action performed, wildfire. So if you remember wildfire topic, wildfire, if you are using wildfire concept, wildfire security profile concept, if someone will hit on wildfire submission, yes, you can get a same receive time information, what file name you are accessing, traffic is initiated from inside, destination zone is outside, source IP, destination port number, application, rule, and verdict. Now data filtering, wait. Let's go with the other option, data filtering. In data filtering, you can get a data related information. See what data you are accessing. This is complete file name. Traffic is initiated from inside, going to outside, source IP, destination IP. So logs we are using to troubleshoot our network. User ID is related with user concept. User concept. If any user is authenticated or hitting your firewall device, you can get information, user related information, receive date and time, IP address information, user account information, GP1, just an example, it's a username. Data source, so it's a VPN client. GP1 is a VPN client. Source type is Global Protect. It's a remote access VPN implementation in Palo Alto firewall device. It's a VPN connection. Global Protect, it's a VPN connection. Configuration log, configuration log. So if multiple firewall administrators are working on firewall device, and if you want to verify logs, okay, for example, admin 1 is configuring some policy, admin 2 is configuring some rule. You can, if you want to verify all the logs, all the changes, so you can go with configuration tab. In configuration tab, you can get the receive time information, administrator information, okay, management PC information, graphical or CLI information, command result, configuration path, full path. So in configuration tab, we can get configuration related information. You can see now, I think I can see without license. Configuration, yes. For configuration license is not required, but yes, to utilize next generation firewall features, we need license, proper license. But you can see here, I'm accessing this machine from 199, 199, 199, 28. Let me show you. This is management PC IP address, 199, 199, 199, 28 IP address. And client is what? Graphical page, username admin, configuration information. If you click on configuration path, you can get a detailed information. You can also filter here. You can also filter as per attributes, administrator. For example, I want to check admin 5 entry. I want to check admin 5 configuration changes information. So these parameters are available. These parameters are available to filter your logs. Now what is system log? System log is what? It's a system generated logs. System generated logs. For example, Palo Alto firewall is providing IP address. Palo Alto is acting as a DSCP server. He is providing IP address to client machine. Or maybe you lost your connectivity with LDAP server. So you can see system. In system, you can get system related information. See, for example, connect LDAP server failure something. Object complete description information. Okay. DSCP renew information you can verify in system. Now wait. Now authentication is same user account information. Here you can get authentication profile information. So user ID, in user ID you can get user source information. Let me show you. Here you can get what? Data source type. But if you want to verify your authentication portal authentication, because if you guys remember, we can create local database authentication profile, or we can create remote database authentication profile. So you can verify authentication profile information here. What is unified? So unified, it's like a combination. Unified, it's like a combination. For example, if you want to check all the logs related with threat, URL filtering, wildfire on a single location, you can go with unified. Unified is what? It's a combination. Now let's go to firewall device. Now in case, so these logs are available in local database. These logs are available in local database. In case if you want to send this log on any remote logging server, on Syslog, on SNMP, then so you can create log forwarding profile. Okay, let's go to device. Let's go to device and you can create log forwarding profile. First, you can go with server profile option. You can create your SNMP log, SNMP server information. You can create your syslog information. And this information you can add in your policy. Let me show you. If you go to policy, security policy, for example. So once you define all the parameters and traffic is deny or traffic is allow, traffic is allow or traffic is deny, you can see here is the option log setting, log at session start, log at session end. So with this option, log is available in local database and it's generating logs, log at session start, log at session end. If you want to send logs to remote logging server, so yes, you can select log forwarding. Click on here, log forwarding, click on profile option. We can create log forwarding profile. So let's give a name, log prof1. Now you can click on add. You can click on add and you can select your log type. You can select your log type. Okay, what type of log type you want to send on remote logging server? These options are available. Authentication logs, data logs, decryption log, threat log, traffic log, tunnel URL, wildfire logs. So for example, I want to send traffic log. Okay, this is my task. I want to send traffic log. So for forward method, or you can say for remote logging, yes, we have SNMP, we have email option, we have syslog, HTTP. So if your Palo Alto firewall device is connected with any SNMP server, so yes, you can define your email information and SNMP, yes, SNMP server, if SNMP is available, syslog available, web server available. Let's go with the syslog, okay? This is my task. Syslog, I can show you. We can give a name, log-srv1, any name. Now, syslog profile, we can create syslog server profile. Here we can create syslog server entry. So log-srv11, just a name, just a name. Click on add, name is SRV. Now you can define syslog server IP address. So this management PC, everyone. So into this scenario, this management PC I'm using as a syslog. IP address, IP config 199.199.199.28. So this management PC I'm using as a syslog. See, I have a syslog application, TFTP 64. So this application I can use for testing. Okay, wait. Let's go with the syslog option. Now we can select our LAN card. So 199, 199, 199, 28. So you can create syslog server entry. 199, 199, 199, 28. Okay, in my topology, everyone, in my topology, syslog server is available. It's a part of control plane. It's a part of management right now. Okay, we are using this management PC as a syslog server. But in your scenario, in case, in your network, in case if you have a syslog server on DMZ side network, for example, okay, or in LAN side network. So I have syslog server or SNMP server, you can say. So default behavior is what? For all services, Palo Alto is using management interface for all services. You can see, you can, okay, let's create an entry first. We can create an entry. You can click on OK. We can click on OK. And this profile we can attach with policy. Now, let's go to device. Let's go to device. If you click on service, you can see for every service, Palo Alto firewall is using management interface. You see, service route configuration, service route configuration. So you can see management interface for all. So for SNMP, for syslog, for updates, Palo Alto is using management interface. In case in your scenario, syslog and SNMP, it's a part of any other interface. So yes, you can click on customize. You can click on customize and you can decide. So in my network, for example, okay, syslog, it's a part of Ethernet 1/1. So you can click on okay, you can change this behavior. Micah clear, Satinder?
Yes.
You can change this behavior, but I'm not changing because in my topology, I'm using my syslog server in management side, control plane side. But you can change this behavior. So now let's go to policy. Yes, we have a log forwarding profile with our policy log forwarding profile. So now let's commit our changes and we can see the logs. We can see the logs here. Okay, let's initiate some traffic from LAN side machine. Let's initiate, wait. IP config 200, 200, 288. ping google.com. Traffic is traveling. Wait. Ping 8.8.8. Let's initiate some traffic so we can. You see, everyone, I'm receiving some logs, right? See, this is just an example, okay? This is not actual syslog application. Micah, in real network, you can use any paid version syslog application like SolarWind or Kiwi. But you can see this is for testing. You can see everyone, this logs are coming from 199.199.199.1. This is firewall IP address. I hope it's clear. Satinder,
Yes, clear.
Micah, Micah, can we take a
Yes,
break, everyone? 5 minute
yes,
break.
sir.
Yeah, sure.
5 minute break, then we can continue. So 19, we will continue at 1:15. Okay, please turn off your mic. Yes, Micah, any question?
No question.
Let's take a break for 5 minutes only. Everyone, can you hear me? Micah, Satinder?
Yes.
Micah?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, let's continue our topic now. So now let's focus on packet capture concept. Packet capture option, it's also available in Fortinet and in other firewall devices. You can capture your packet and you can verify your packet information in any packet capturing tool like Wireshark. Wireshark is a popular tool. So how to capture a packet? First, you can click on manage filter. Here is the option. See, you can go with the configure filter option. So you can click on manage filter and what information or what packet you want to capture. You can define your complete information. First, you can define your packet capture filter ID, ingress interface and egress interface. Everyone can hear me?
Yes, audible.
Okay. So as per our topology, Ethernet 1/1, and we are trying to capture our packet in between 1/1 and 1/2. So you can first create your packet capture filter, Ethernet 1/1, ingress interface. I want to capture packet on here. Source IP. So I can define source IP 200.200.200.88 IP. Destination is any, source port any, destination port number any, protocol. So I want to capture ICMP packet. So protocol number 1. If you want to add any non-IP packet information, you can add. Just click on OK. So first you can create your manage filter. After that, you can go to configure capturing. Configure capturing. You can just first enable here. First enable packet capturing option. Packet capturing option, you can click on add. And now we can define a stage. We can define a stage. So we can go with, wait, here is option. So here we have receive. So here we have receive stage and transmit. What is the receive and transmit option? So we have a Palo Alto firewall device, LAN interface and WAN interface. If any traffic is initiated from LAN side machine hitting to firewall device, or if reply packet is coming from outside hitting to firewall device. So if firewall will receive any packet and you want to capture, you can go with this receive option. Clear my point, everyone? Clear my
Yes.
point? If firewall is receiving any packet from outside, from inside, I want to capture these packets, you can go with this. Transmit means what? If you select transmit option, transmit stage, it means if traffic is traveling through the firewall device, and you want to capture. So first, you can define your transmit state. So I'm your state. So I'm using transmit. So file you can define just leave it blank, okay? Or you can give a name 1 1. So now packet capture count, you can decide packet count. So I want to capture, for example, 200 packets. Bytes, let's leave bytes any. Just click on OK. So we can try to initiate our traffic from LAN machine. Wait. Let's try to initiate some traffic, for example, facebook.com. Let's initiate more traffic. Wait. Facebook.com. I'm trying to access some website also. Google.com. So you can refresh this page and you can see, yes, you are receiving some captured file information. Captured file information. You can select this, you can download, and you can see this format is a PCAP format. Micah, Satinder. It's a PCAP format. It is in PCAP format. So if you have any packet capturing tool like Wireshark, you can open this file and you can verify. I don't have packet capturing tool in this management PC, so I cannot verify, but this is packet PCAP format, right? We can open in any packet capturing tool. Clear this topic, everyone?
Yes.
Now let's go to device. Let's go to device. And now you can click on log setting. What is log setting option? In log setting, see here we have, wait. Here we can manage our logs. In log settings, we can manage our logs. For example, I want to clear all traffic log. I want to delete all traffic log today. I don't want to store. I want to clear all traffic threat. See URL, threat and data logs. So from here, you can go to log setting. From here, you can clear your all logs. You can manage your logs, you can say. Delete all your logs. But you can also go with the alarm setting. You can also go with this alarm setting. Okay, let's discuss this alarm setting option. You can just click on edit. You can click on edit and first you can enable web alarm or CLI alarm, enable alarm, audible alarm. So this is the threshold value, okay. So when database reach but here we have a percentage, okay. So for example, if database reach a traffic log database reach 90%, if configuration database log reach 90%, yes, I'm looking for alarm message. Okay, let's change here, okay. For example, configuration log, I'm using 0%. If configuration logs is available 0%, any changes, I want alarm. You can click on OK. Okay, let's commit our changes and we can configure something. We can configure something. For example, I'm trying to configure one interface, 1/5, for example. Wait, let's commit these changes first. Now, so I'm trying to configure something like Ethernet 1/5 interface. I'm using as a L3 interface, virtual router. Okay, you can see now Micah, alarm message. Satinder, see,
Yes.
we have an alarm something. In real hardware device, you can get a sound. Okay, here we have alarm. Let me show you. If you go to device, if you click on log settings, so you have an audible alarm option. So in physical device, you can get a audible alarm, beep message something. So this is our topic, everyone. This is our topic is called login and monitoring. I hope this topic is clear. Micah,
Yes.
Satinder.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's discuss VPN concept, everyone, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll focus on site-to-site VPN implementation.
Okay.
Site-to-site VPN, and please connect on same time, 12:30 my time.
Yeah, sure.
Satinder, Micah, Micah, I'm sharing a video for basic VPN concept. You can try to watch before our session, before tomorrow's session. Okay, everyone.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.